On our Grand Circle RV tour, we had to stop at one of the most iconic places in the Southwest, Monument Valley.
Here, on the Navajo Nation, towering sandstone buttes rise out of the desert floor like nature's skyscrapers to become a Hollywood legend in its own right. From John Wayne to Forrest Gump, this landscape is pure legend. Join us now.
Here at this Navajo reservation with majestic Monument Valley as a backdrop. Come on! What are you waiting for? Forrest Gump suddenly finished his ultramarathon of more than 15,000 miles in the 1994 movie Forrest Gump starring Tom Hanks. And now, this famous spot is called Forrest Gump Point.
John Ford, from 1939 to 1964, made a total of 7 movies in Monument Valley. Most of them with John Wayne as the leading character. When filming in the valley, the director and his leading actors always stayed at Gouldings Lodge. Many tourists call Monument Valley John Wayne country.
The Duke made 5 movies here in his lifetime. Stagecoach, 1939, Fort Apache, 1948, She Wore a Yellow Ribbon, 1949, Rio Grande in 1950, and The Searchers in 1956.
In 2008, the American Film Institute voted The Searchers the greatest Western of all time. Most filmgoers thought that John Wayne as Ethan Edwards should have received an Oscar for his work in the picture. His co-stars were Ward Bond, Jeffrey Hunter, Vera Miles, and Natalie Wood. Please subscribe and hit that notify button too.
Yes, it's free and you'll never miss another video.
Thanks in advance. Beep beep.
The Four Corners Monument is not really one state. In fact, it's really the Navajo tribal nation. It's the only place where 4 states meet: Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, and Utah. Be sure to make that a stop on your trip. After all, it's the only place where you can tell your friends you walked all 4 states in one day.
Most visitors make the city of Page home base to awesome places like Horseshoe Bend, Lake Powell, Glen Canyon Dam, Antelope Canyon, and Monument Valley. You can drive to most of these special sites, but only authorized tour companies can take visitors to the Antelope Canyon, known for the way light filters through its wave-like sandstone walls, creating dramatic and beautiful formations.
Antelope Canyon is a stunning slot canyon located near Page, Arizona on Navajo land. Visitors typically explore Upper and Lower Antelope Canyon, both of which require guided tours.
Our journey through Monument Valley has been unforgettable, a land of movies, myths, and timeless beauty. But this is just one stop. You can watch it all on our Grand Circle RV video.
Thanks so much for watching.
YouTube has this video ready for you to select and watch next.
Please let us see you on the next video.